Hello, and welcome to our video on measuring and graphing distance versus time for an object moving at a constant speed. So, what is speed? Speed is a measure of how far an object moves in a given amount of time. When an object moves at a constant speed, it means that the object consistently covers the same distance in the same amount of time. For example, if a car is traveling at a speed of 60 miles per hour, the car will cover 60 miles every hour. To measure the distance an object travels, we can use a variety of tools, such as a ruler, meter stick, or tape measure. To measure the time it takes for an object to travel a certain distance, we can use a stopwatch or a timer. Once we have collected our data, we can plot that data on a graph. The x-axis of the graph represents time. The y-axis represents distance. Each point on the graph represents the distance the object traveled at a particular time. If the object is moving at a constant speed, the graph will make a straight line. In this graph, the object is not moving, so the object's distance is not changing. That means the object's speed is not changing from moving 0. The steepness or slope of the line represents the object's speed. The steeper the slope, the faster the object is moving. This graph shows the object's distance changed 2 meters in 5 seconds. The speed of the object was 0.5 meter per second. This graph shows the object moving 5 meters in 5 seconds. This object's speed was 1 meter per second. Note, the slope of the graph was steeper here than the other two graphs because the object traveled a greater distance in the same amount of time, so the object was moving faster. We can also calculate the object's speed from the graph. The formula for speed is speed equals distance divided by time. For example, if an object travels 100 meters in 10 seconds, the object's speed is 10 meters per second. Measuring and graphing distance versus time is a useful skill in many real-world applications. For example, scientists can use this technique to study the motion of planets and stars. Engineers can use it to design and test new vehicles, and drivers can use it to determine their average speed on a trip. I hope you enjoyed this video on measuring and graphing distance versus time. Thank you for watching.